Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of Harbour View. Now Harbour View is one of the fastest growing areas in Kingston. As you can see, it has a very large residential community, which we're looking at now, thousands of homes. And this is just one side of Harbour View. These homes go all the way back to the cement factory. We're out by the roundabout now, by the plaza. But Harbour View also has a lot of commercial buildings. You have or commercial developments. You have the new oh my god, the name slipped me, but it's coming up on view in the interview now. By the harbor where they have the dry dock. Where you can lift the ships out of the water. There you see it. The dry dock, where you can lift the ships out. It's called Jam Dock 1. You can lift the ships out of the water, repair them, and send them on their way. It's a emerging industry in Jamaica, and it's growing. It's doing very well, and they actually plan to expand to get more dry docks there. Now, straight ahead, that's the Palisades Strip. That road takes you to the airport. And the airport is undergoing a lot of development, but Port Royal, billions, that road, Palisades, also takes you to Port Royal. And over here you have some more commercial developments. And that road you're looking at now takes you to the Southern Coastal Highway that takes you to St. Thomas and Portland. So Harbour View is strategically located. It's a gateway to the east, the gateway to the airport, and it has a lot of commercial developments. And billions of dollars is earmarked for developments in Port Royal. Port Royal actually has a cruise ship pier, and a lot of development. Billions of dollars are going to be spent to develop Port Royal. And with Port Royal so developed, everybody has to pass through Harbour View to get to Port Royal. You have to pass through Harbour View to get to the Southern Coastal Highway. So this is one of the fastest growing areas in Kingston. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.